Hi, I'm using different kind of chainsaws. 550, 560, Steel MS400, Steel MS500, Steel MS194, Husqvarna 540 in different kind of work. But my main tool is 550. And why is it so? I think because 550 doesn't weigh too much. I can handle it. It has enough power for my use, which is mostly felling and limbing and also some bugging. I like very much the ergonomy. It fits in my hand. And of course, Husqvarna does have service in the county I'm living. That's very important that you can get service and spare parts. And I think 550 is very suitable for most forest owners and homeowners, whatever they are doing. So go and get also one for yourself. The link might be somewhere here. Remember also the safety equipment, trousers, jacket, helmet and the boots. And work safely.